Hello, everybody. Good evening and good to see
Hello.
you all. Hi, Kirti. Hi,
Hi.
Vishaka.
Hello
Hello.
Hi,
everyone.
Dipali. Good. Dipali, where's your picture gone? That at least that picture used to be there, that lovely
Ma'am,
one.
network issue is there, na?
Ah,
Picture
okay.
gone क्या है? I don't
Yeah,
know.
I can't see
Maybe
your
my
picture now. I can see only name, but
तो my
that's still.
daughter is there ना वो कारनामे करती रहती है. She does.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Hmm.
there she comes. So before I move ahead, I have announced the season 2 of Bicey, which is for kids, which is basically it's a 6 weeks program. We did it last year, and Anu's daughter was a part of that. And it was so amazing that the kids have been regularly messaging me almost for this last year that when are you doing the season 2? And somehow because of my all other workshops I wasn't able to do it, and I now thought it is time because छुट्टियां लग गई है तो बच्चे अभी थोड़े free भी हो गए. So I think we can have fun, but this time it is the art of conversation, it is the art of communication, it is the art of public speaking, so that they are able to speak their mind confidently, easily, effortlessly, and without having any inhibitions of expressing what they think. Because even when I did the Bicy season 1, I used to see they used to do all the activities, but when it came to speaking and telling exactly, or expressing their experience, they used to that time really it used to be challenging for them to talk. And this is, I'm
Ma'am, may
not
I
saying.
interrupt?
Yes, please.
What is that? Actually, I'm not getting by C. What is that
So
by
BICE, the
CC?
full form is
Yeah.
build your self-esteem through art. Now, last time
Okay,
I used to
okay.
do creative art, and
Hmm.
one week, like every week, they used to get one activity, and then we used to meet in the week on the Zoom, and they used to share what they did, and they used to actually share all their reflections that time, and then we used to do one more activity that time. So that's how it went for 6 weeks. This time what I'm doing is it is going to be for actually having a conversation like adults have, having a communication, having public speaking as a the art of public speaking. So we're going to be developing that. So that's how I'm going to be working with the children every week. Once I meet them for 1 hour, and they'll also get an activity to be done at home which they can send me. So it's going to be all interesting stuff. It will start somewhere on either the 15th or the 16th of April, tentatively, and it will finish somewhere on the 21st or the 20th of May. Yeah, that's because it's going to be 6 weeks. And the seventh week, this is what we did last year also. We had like a grand finale, and the children arranged for a complete annual day program on Zoom. And these were kids, about I think 18 children from all over the country. Somebody from Bangalore, somebody. It was so amazing, and all of them did such a wonderful job. So I'm really excited because I've been training and doing things with adults for quite some time, and I think this is one place from where I will derive a lot of energy, because I'll be working with kids. So I'm so excited about that, to hear them. Last year only they had given me all ideas what are the different things I can do. So I am going to definitely use those. So yeah, that is what BICE is. BICE is basically build your self-esteem
Will this
through art.
self-esteem?
Yeah, yeah. All right. Such a refreshing workshop. Yes, and her daughter is already ready for the second season, and there are quite other few children who have been sending me messages. When are you doing BICE season 2? So I said it's time to do it. All right. So today, what I want to ask you is a simple question, and I'll start with this. For me, this is one thing which is making me smile, that I've announced this workshop and I'm going to be with kids. What has happened today that made you smile? I want to know that from you. What has made you smile
I will
today?
tell.
Yes, Smita.
Yeah. Actually, today, no.
Mm-hmm.
I actually have in between. I have take a little break,
Mm-hmm.
and yesterday I have not seen your section, so I don't know what happening. After today, I have seen that.
Okay.
but it was a little bit connected only. I also went through some fear, but I don't know what it was. I was feeling just insecure and little bit uneasy. I was feeling, and I was not knowing why that fear was there.
Mm.
But same thing means what I done. We know everything about means if we feel like this, so we have to do affirmation, and everything is our mind. So I have thought about that. I done my affirmation, and I was just sitting, and I was thinking what miss what thing is done, means what I have done that such kind of fear is coming again.
Okay.
Then I have stopped doing meditation and for some time, and then I stopped my morning rituals. So today I get up. Yesterday only I decided I will get up at morning 5:30, and I will
Okay.
start again everything. So literally 5:30 I have get up. I went down first. Get ready. I went down. I have done my running down today.
Wow.
Exercise. Running I have done. Came again up. Then I have done my everything. Gratitude, journal writing, meditation,
Fantastic.
and
Fantastic.
that made today me smile when means what I think now that I have done means
So you
that
have
made
already
me very
touched
much
base
smile.
upon yesterday's topic, which is the fear. And yes, yesterday we were discussing this, that when you experience fear, focus on that place of faith. And today I would like to add to it that focus on that which makes you comfortable. Focus on, things which are, beautiful dreams, desires, wishes that you have. Focus on what you want. Yeah, focus on those things which make you comfortable. So focus on those things which make you, high in spirits and puts you immediately into a higher vibrational frequency. So when you focus on those things, the fear either fades away, all right, or you find a solution to face that fear. So what you did is so amazing, that you really connected with the fear, checked why it is happening, and took an action. That is more important. We all do
Yeah.
reflections, but we don't take an action. So there's no point only reflecting and not taking an action. So you have done it, and I really, really so appreciate this. So, and that has made you
Yes.
smile today. So yes, I'm going to ask Sushila now. What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today was my last day of, I can say, this academic year with my children, first standard.
Okay. Okay.
So what I did was I told them just sit properly. I'll take a nice screenshot of yours for
Hmm.
as a memory for
Huh.
this year.
Huh.
So what happened? The kids were sitting and the parents like just started combing their hair nicely so that they don't look good in the pic.
So
And that
cute.
was really lovely. I really liked it because the kids are small first standard. So they just started like making him sit straight. No, aisa bet, aisa bet, jaldi bet. And then I showed them the pic. The kids were enjoying, and the parents enjoyed the most. I said, "देख, तेरा photo है उधर."
So
So it
sweet.
was really very good.
Yeah. So that is what made you smile today.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very nice. Who else? Dipali, what made you smile today?
Today, I played after a long time badminton with my husband,
Oh,
and I got a
wow.
feeling of "Dhal gaya
I
din."
was about to
Oh,
sing.
that feeling I got.
Wow.
So
Jitendra
I
and
enjoyed
that's
that.
who? Leena
Haan,
Chandavarkar.
Jitendra and हाँ ma'am, Leena.
Yeah.
Yes,
अच्छा है.
it
हमें
was
भी एक
nice.
वीडियो भेज दो तुम्हारे बैडमिंटन के गेम का. हम भी तो स्माइल करें. But that's wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for
Hmm.
sharing. Vishakha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, it is little connected with yesterday, what Anu ma'am has also shared. Today, after my complete lunch, I just took a book in my hand, or I think mobile. I still don't remember. And I was sleeping. And we don't have bed. जैसे गद्दी नीचे ही रखी है. And I heard my daughter coming shouting कि Mama Tibakpal, and
Oh,
it was coming on that actually bed. One thing which was a really good for me, it was like still I have that crossing finger. Ki my husband was there and he immediately come with the jhadu, and I was like, Thank God I was not alone at home this time because actually he was preparing to go outside.
Yeah. So then otherwise
So
we would have heard another
I can
story
say
like Anu, another warrior mother.
yes.
I think
And
we
in
should
fact,
just
this
stop discussing
time,
these stories. That all the lizards have started going to everybody's houses, turning women into warriors.
no, but this time instead of I was warrior, my daughter was I. Means she was a warrior. She brought that chadu immediately, and she was a little brave. And I was like jumping from one place to another. I don't wanted to be in front of
So no
that
worries.
lizard
See,
because it was
it's
really
not
like
you.
she has
Your
also said.
your daughter will become a warrior princess, so no problem. Either of you will become
Yes,
warriors. That's wonderful. And this is making all of us
definitely.
not just smile, laugh actually. Vishaka.
Later on, I literally laughed. Means three of us we laughed, but yes, that was a moment. क्या I immediately connected. कल ही तो बात की थी, and I was saying कि नहीं इतना डर नहीं लगेगा,
Ah,
but I
wow, this
experienced it.
lovely story. Kirti.
Uh, I got call from my क्या बोलते हैं जेठानी मेरी
हाँ.
जिनको वो ना she is my student in my Gita class.
Okay. What a
So I
beautiful
got
relation. अभी टीचर स्टूडेंट बन गए. पहले वो जेठानी थी.
so I got appreciation from her. That makes me smile.
Yay, this is so wonderful to hear, you know, that you know, having your Jethani as a student and, you know, getting appreciation from her, that's really, really a wonderful thing. So lovely, lovely. And Nalu Maushi, unmute करून बोलणार. What has happened that is making you smile? So,
त्याने बऱ्याच दिवसाने दीदीशी बोलले ना म्हणून खूप स्माईल ती सांगत होती तिचे किस्से तर तिने सांगितलं तिचे सासू म्हणजे बिर्याणी दिलेली ना मी तिला त्याच्यात ती बोलली ती खूपच तिला खूप छान वाटलं वगैरे
अरे वा.
म्हणजे सॅटिस्फॅक्शन पण वाटलं एक आणि हजार म्हणजे एक स्माईल पण आली ना की चला ठीक आहे
मस्त
तो फीडबॅक
मस्त
होता
मस्त.
त्यांचा तिने सांगितला तो तर म्हटलं ठीक आहे भेटूया आपण त्याला पण म्हणजे ती एक स्माईल होती की हा बरं त्यांना सॅटिस्फॅक्शन झालं ना म्हणून मला पण बरं वाटलं
Oh,
ती एक
actually,
स्माईल
very nice. Thank you for sharing. So tell me, everybody, you know, just one thing where we have to, like, it's almost the end of the day, and for us to remember what made me smile, what, there's just that question, what is it doing to you? And do we all actually think about this question at the end of the day? Like, how does our day end usually?
Mostly we think, mostly, yes, I think how my day end. And one more thing, today I got gift from Sushil also.
Oh,
Love
wow.
bracelet. And that also made me happy.
Lovely, lovely. So I understand Smita has a, you know, like few of you have a practice to do gratitude. So you would be doing it at the end of the day, in the beginning of the day. Do you actually think of this one question, what made me smile today? Because we do the thank you things, that I understand. Yeah. We all
No,
do
what
gratitude.
happens?
Yeah.
I'll tell
don't
one
think.
thing. What
Yeah.
happens end of the day, na? My son also tells me this. End of the day, I'm thinking what I have to make tomorrow breakfast. He'll tell, "Mommy, kal to aane do."
Yeah, that's how we ended it. I mean, I just love this honest answer, Sushila. And I think all of us are like winding up the day, and जो भी बाकी बचे हुए काम है उनको हम खत्म करने की इसमें होते हैं कि सोने के पहले फटाफट 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 वो खत्म कर लो, ऑल राइट, और एंड दूसरा कि दूसरे दिन की तैयारी करो, सोचो दैट I think the tayari is a shorter this task, but that sochna ke kal kya banaye is a longer one, is a difficult one. So yeah, but then in all of this, if we can, you know, just take this 1 minute to think that what made me smile today. And have you ever noticed that are there days, so this is again, just reflect over this and tell me, are there days when you've not smiled? through the day. Maybe the day is like so hectic, so busy. You've been working, and you've not smiled. Has it happened? Hmm. It does happen. It does happen. And I think अगर होता है जिनके घर पे मुझे लगता है बच्चे हैं ना, मतलब छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको दे मतलब it's always there that usually you will laugh, smile, कुछ ना कुछ चल because उनका कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. But then otherwise there are times for so many people, it's not just the eight of us, for so many people out there, they just forget to smile.
Yes.
Like the whole day passes and there is just no reason that or nothing has happened that they have smiled. And I think at least if they have not, it will be a good reminder for them, for all those who. So I've been reading messages about people watching this after it is done, like so I feel so nice that there are some people that who are watching this after it is done. They are not a part of this. And when I get personal messages, when I get messages on that YouTube link that uh, it's good to see this later, so it really feels nice. So it is not for the eight of us only, it is for so many people out there. And yeah, today maybe it's just the eight and we are passing it on to our friends and family and whoever has subscribed. But I think over a period of time, maybe after many many years or one day suddenly when somebody finds this one link, and if that person has been mm, in a pensive mood, in a stressful mood, just listening to this, he might just have to think about what is that one reason I
Yeah.
could just give a smile today. And
That's
so if there,
true.
so tell me an idea for which will be for others, for everybody, that अगर ऐसा दिन गया है जिस दिन ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है जहाँ हम हंसे हैं, जहाँ हमने स्माइल किया है, तो रात को जब ये एक सवाल पूछेंगे कि what has happened today that has made me smile, and when the answer is like there's nothing, मतलब मुझे कुछ नहीं याद आ रहा है, तो what should they think about that will make them smile? I want ideas from you कि ऐसा
Uh,
क्या जवाब होगा कि आज ऐसा क्या हुआ है that must make you smile. Yeah, Sushila, you want to say something?
yeah, no, I just wanted to say because prior to the workshop, I was like in such a situation that really I was not smiling. So
Oh.
it was like I actually didn't join also. I can say frankly because I didn't join also. I was like very much no, nahi kuch nahi karna hai abhi bas. So it was like that.
See,
Then
yeah.
Smita Didi told me आपने join नहीं किया. मैं बोले नहीं ऐसे ऐसे. That's the reason I'm not doing it. But then I thought कि नहीं, why I am neglecting this thing. This is coming like a to keep me on track. So now I'm again on track and the smile is returned back to my
Back,
face.
yeah, such a
Watching
beautiful
myself
broad
smile is so
smile.
good.
Yeah,
Seriously, means
absolutely.
it was like the universe is telling me that go on this train, don't go on that train. So that,
Wonderful, how wonderful.
that's
Yeah,
happening. So
yeah,
that's
yeah.
hmm.
So this
Universe
is
is
so
making for
wonderful.
everything for us only, Sushila. Making Shilpa to come back to us. So we are
Yeah,
supporting each other. Sometimes Sushila is
that's the
supporting
thing.
about that is a good thing. चलो
Absolutely,
एक
yeah.
साथ करते हैं हम लोग.
But this is what it is that I mean, just this time together that we spend, is it like, I don't know whether it is changing everything for you, आपके जो challenges है, जो भी obstacles, difficulties है, but it is definitely giving you some free time, some lighter moments,
Hmm.
some energy to go back and face the same challenge, face the same thing, maybe with a different perspective,
Yeah.
some renewed energy. So that's the reason, I just thought, what about those people who somehow have not got a reason to smile and not got an
Hmm.
obvious reason to smile. एंड अगर उनको रात को सोने के पहले उनको ये सवाल करना है खुद को कि आज ऐसा क्या हुआ है जिसकी वजह से मैं स्माइल करूं, तो लेट अस गिव देम आइडियाज कि इस चीज के बारे में सोचो और फिर स्माइल करो. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू गिव?
At least they should think that they are surrounded with their loved ones.
They
night
have their okay.
loved ones nearby.
All
So
right.
it will make because sometimes I also feel like this. So when I see my parents around me and my brother, and when I see them, my brother, sister, all of we are staying nearby, then I feel very good. I feel that they are there for
There are
me.
people
So
who care.
it
So
is a
sometimes it may be family,
yeah,
sometimes it may be friends, but all of us
yeah,
may have somebody or the other to who loves us, you know, for who we are, who loves us unconditionally, who loves us, you know. So that could be one
think about
reason
them.
that we can think about them and smile. That is one thing. Very beautiful. What else, Kirti? You have some another idea?
यस, अगर ऐसा कोई दिन होता है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उस दिन एटलीस्ट ये बोल लेना चाहिए कि अच्छा हुआ ऐसा एक दिन था जिस दिन मुझे हंसने नहीं मिला, वो चला गया, बीत गया, तो नया
Okay.
आएगा उसके लिए मैं हंसूंगी.
ओके सो रात, क्योंकि हम रात के बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि रात को सोने के पहले, तो दैट्स सच अ वंडरफुल वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट इट, दैट आज का दिन ऐसा था पर वो चला गया है, एंड कल के दिन में भी मैं उठूं तो ही स्माइल करते करते उठूं, मुझे स्माइल करने के लिए 1000 रीजंस हो, एंड क्यों नहीं, सो that is one way of looking at it. Beautiful Kirti. And I'm reading what Anu has written. They have a home, they are safe and protected, they have food and water. These reasons are strong enough to smile कि एक छत है सर के ऊपर और मैं सेफ एंड प्रोटेक्टेड जोन में हूँ, मैं अपने घर के 4 दीवारों के बीच में हूँ, अपने लोगों में हूँ, और मुझे खाना पीना मिल रहा है. That itself is a reason to smile. That's so wonderful. What else? Is there anything else which you would like to give as an idea, suggestion to people who have not found a reason to smile? मेरे लिए एक रीजन है, एंड मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि the biggest reason, if I have to answer this question at night, and if there has not been an obvious reason to smile, for me it is like आज सुबह मैं उठी is a reason for me to smile, because कितने लोग जो सोए हैं रात को वो उठे नहीं है और मैं उठी हूँ, तो somebody out there feels that you must get one more day to live. That itself is a reason for me to smile. And not just उठी, आज का दिन भी already गया है, जैसे कीर्ति ने बोला कि it's passing by, it's gone, and now I'm going to sleep. So that means I have a hope that tomorrow is going to be a new day, a new beginning, a new opportunity, a new possibility. That is another reason for me to smile. So just before I go off to sleep, I can still have 2 reasons to smile, that one, I woke up today, and 2, I'm getting a new chance in the form of tomorrow, so I can sleep in that hope. Yeah. All right. If there's anything else which is coming as an idea, do share. And in fact, I'm going to request for all the people who are going to watch this video later, please put your reasons to smile on in the comment box, so that others who watch this video, and if they have not got enough ideas, they'll get them from all of you. So anybody who watches this, and please share and like and subscribe this channel, because we really, all of us really have the same intention to support each other, to really uplift each other, to give the smiles, to spread the smiles on the faces of everybody. So this is why we meet every night, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah.
I have suggested many of my friends to watch these videos.
Thank
many.
you, Sita.
And they are watching also, they are telling me, Arey, it is good, miss. Many of them, even our principal, we have told to watch it.
Really?
You need to.
Please tell her to like the channel so that I get to know.
Yes,
Tell
I
her
have
to
only done
subscribe
for
the
her.
channel.
Arey, you don't believe, from her mobile, I have only done that. Subscribe and like. I told you. I told her, then you will get this
Smita
notification.
is another campaigner of Shilpa. She is another one. Like, so really, I'm so grateful to all of you. And I think for me, there are so many reasons to smile. And one biggest reason is all of you. The way you love me, uh, that one day if I'm not meeting you or whatever, because this workshop is again for a limited time, but every time I feel low, I think about all those people who love me and who appreciate and value the work I do. And I think that is like invaluable. It is precious for me. So thank you so much for
You're
giving me.
doing so great work. You don't know. So we are only spreading it. You're doing that work. We are just spreading that work. That much only we are doing. It's
But
very great
that's
work you are
that's
doing.
that's what it is important. क्योंकि मैं करती थी तो नहीं enough होता था. It is just because all of you are there, इसीलिए उसमें मजा आ रहा है. So yeah, all of
And
us
you
are important.
and you know what?
Yeah.
The universe also wants this, because otherwise you would have started this all things, YouTube and all this. This
हाँ,
happened
channel.
because of this, whatever happened, and then it started like everything everywhere. Shilpa ma'am is there, Facebook, Instagram.
Yeah, totally.
Instagram.
I think COVID has made me very, very active in that sense.
Yeah.
And again, the reason this workshop also came up was I was feeling extremely bad and sad when I heard all those stories, when people are feeling lost and people are feeling really, really low. And I said, what is that I can do and what is that I can give? Maybe I can't reach physically to every one of them and say, hey,
Yeah, that's it.
don't worry, but maybe through this we can reach just by talking. We are just chatting. This is no hi-fi workshop or nothing, but just through our talks we are still inspiring people, we are giving hope to people, and that is such a beautiful thing. And I think that is what is required. So why not spread this, spread this infection?
Yeah, of
And
course.
yeah, so this is what it is.
And
Okay.
one more thing is that when we spread this message to others, that time है ना, तो हम लोग ऐसा थोड़ा सा ऐसा, मतलब मेरी बात कर रही हूँ कि ऐसा ना कॉपी करते हैं आपको थोड़ा, तो हमको ऐसा कहीं फील होता है कि वाह शिल्पा मैम.
This is so sweet, this is so sweet.
और एक अलग से कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, वो सब में अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ वो सुना था, वो ऐसे बोला था, अब वहां पर कॉपी करो, वैसा बोलो, तो वो एक चीज. और इसमें एक ना रियल फील आता है, जो आप जब बताते हो तो तब जैसे हमको सोचना पड़ता है. आप बोलते हो कि ये मेडिटेशन में ऐसा आंखें बंद करो, ये इमेजिन करो, तो उस वक्त वो ख्याल नहीं आता. बट जब हम ये किसी और को बताते होते हैं ना, तो हमें सही में उस चीज का एक्सपीरियंस होता है कि हाँ ये क्या होता है, रियली क्या होता है.
Yeah.
तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
So this is basically a training for all of you to become transformational trainers, yeah, because the world needs a lot of them, and then all of you will do such a swell job out there. Yeah.
Actually,
So you
the
don't need a
people,
Shilpa over there. You just need a Kirti, a Dipali, a Sushila, a Smita, Anu, all of them separately. You can all start. So we can have one big umbrella under which all of us are there, and we are
Spreading them.
giving this support to all of them. I mean, I am really,
That's
really
what-
thinking of a world like this where if we can create some kind of this platform where
Yeah.
all of us can support so many people out there.
So many people.
Yeah. Let's
No,
And
see.
we
the
like to
problem
do
is,
that, to
you know,
support people.
Yeah.
People are mostly focusing on what they don't have or what wrong is happening. That's the main thing. And when you tell them that look at this now, what is good, that happens. Like suppose if I say somebody's mother-in-law is not like cooperative, but I said I'd be happy you have a mother-in-law at least with you.
सही बात
I
है.
don't have. But the thing is the perspective of what you
Sheila,
can
maybe
say,
that could be the
thinking.
reason they are unhappy that they have a mother-in-law.
ऐसा मैंने एक
And she's
क्लाइंट को
not
बोला.
Yeah.
I also told somebody that अरे अभी तो you do whatever you want now, your mother-in-law is not there. The next day she was out.
Oh God. Okay, we are not
Think.
spreading these
नहीं है.
messages. We are not anti-mother-in-laws. Please stop
we are
it right
not.
here.
No,
No, but the
Bhavana.
happiness that I saw on her face, like when she was talking, I said, हाँ जाओ ना, जाके आओ ना, घूम के आओ ना, मुझे तो कुछ काम नहीं है आपके साथ. She is also not there. You go and come. Because she was worrying कि उसका कोई लेटर या कुछ घर पे आएगा तो if I'm not there. I said वो भी नहीं है, तुम जाओ ना, and don't call me for a day also.
All
So I
right,
was
chalo,
laughing
on
and I
this
can't
note,
stop
we
it.
wish well for all the mother-in-laws of the world.
Yes.
Yeah, and all the
Yes,
daughter-in-laws
yes,
of the
yes.
world. So, and let's say bye-bye, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, it's time up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Look at Sushila. Okay, it is time up. Yes, it
It is
is time up.
9:40.
Yes, yes.
Chalo.
Okay, thank
Good
you,
night.
thank you.
Good night.
night.
Bye. Sleep
Bye.
well, everyone.
Bye.
Good night.